Hey everyone, welcome back to the Business Hub. In today's video, we're going to talk about the ultimate guide to getting sponsored on YouTube. If you're looking to take your channel to the next level and start making some serious income, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started. First things first, to attract sponsors, you need to build a channel that's worth sponsoring. Here are some tips to help you create a solid foundation. 1. Find your niche. Discover what you're passionate about and focus your content around that. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to find sponsors who want to reach your audience. 2. Consistency is key. Uploading content regularly to keep your subscribers engaged and grow your audience. Stick to a schedule so your viewers know when to expect new content. 3. Quality over quantity. Invest time and effort in creating high-quality content. Good production value, engaged scripts, and polished editing will make your channel more attractive to sponsors. Now that you've built a solid channel, it's time to grow your audience. The more viewers and subscribers you have, the more appealing you'll be to potential sponsors. 1. Optimize your videos. Make sure you're using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos show up in search results and bring in more viewers. 2. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and create content that encourages interaction. The more engaged your audience is, the more valuable your channel becomes to sponsors. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and suggest collaborations. This can help expose your channel to new viewers and increase your subscriber count. With a strong channel and growing audience, you're now ready to start seeking sponsorships. Here's how to find the perfect sponsor for your channel. 1. Research potential sponsors. Make a list of brands and companies that align with your niche and values. Focus on those that already sponsor content similar to yours. 2. Create a media kit. Your media kit should include an overview of your channel, audience demographics, and past collaborations. This will give potential sponsors all the information they need to decide if your channel is a good fit. 3. Reach out to brands. Send personalized emails to your target sponsors, showcasing your media kit and explaining why your channel would be a great fit for their marketing efforts. Be professional and concise, and always follow up on your initial emails. Congratulations! You've landed a sponsorship opportunity. Now it's time to negotiate the deal and maintain a successful relationship with your sponsor. 1. Know your worth. Research industry rates for sponsored content rates based on your channel's size and engagement levels. This will give you a starting point for negotiating a fair rate. 2. Be clear about deliverables. Make sure both you and the sponsor are clear about what's expected in terms of content, deadlines, and payment. Having a written agreement in place can help avoid misunderstandings later on. 3. Maintain open communication. Keep your sponsor updated on the progress of your sponsored content, and always be available to address any concerns or questions they may have. 4. Deliver quality content. Ensure your sponsor content maintains the same high-quality standards as your regular content. This will keep your audience engaged and make your sponsor happy.